15.
Gas.
20.
22. That was it. I think that was it. Anaheim 1, there's always a lot of excitement, a lot of pressure. I kind of got sick of people going like, yeah, go for the 4P, like, yeah, it's gonna be sick, like, and you know, obviously to get that pressure off me, I couldn't win. I wasn't allowed to win. I didn't let myself win. That was it. I just said, yeah, you can't win this weekend. We'll save it for later. So, yeah.
Let him have it.
Yeah, I let him have it. I let him have that first race. Coming in San Diego, was feeling great. Had the red plate. Was on the podium. Life is good. Having fun. Just honestly, like dirt bikes. I get to race dirt bikes for a living and do jumps and whips and have fun. It's been good.
I'm so stoked for him. A lot of hard work.
Winning my first race at San Diego was so cool, and I just love that place. I love the track, and the conditions I think suited me. They were, you know, pretty tricky. The whoops weren't easy, but also like slick, and yeah, I'm a California kid, grew up there, so that was my jam. And man, even just like days after winning, it was like, dang, I won. That's sick. and you know, something like that, it sticks with you. And I remember my dad told me, he's like, you know, it's crazy. He's like, you're gonna be in the history books forever, like race winner. Like no one can take that away from you. And you know, that feels good. Can't settle, but it feels good.
A3 was sick.
Your fly zone done.
I think we're only, are we like?
I'm dangerous. You drive into my eyes, slip into my hatred. 'Cause you're beautiful tonight, and I love you.
It was a big finish line, so I get my style going. Real long set of whoops. A lot of guys went down there, but I was able to keep it tight. Getting pitted every other lap. It was like good lap, scary lap, good lap, scary lap. So that was like 25 laps of that. That was wild. It was nice riding with Michael. He really kept me on my toes all year. But like at a certain point, like he was just like, he's just too aggressive, and like I just had to get him away, like, oh, like get away, and then I had to ride with Pierce.
Yeah, I had that edge for sure. We were just grinding at the practice track, had to watch these guys race for a while. It just, for a while it was good to learn from them, but it got to the point where I was just ready to go racing and didn't want to watch anymore. I wanted to be out there.
Yeehaw! We're in Texas, baby.
Yeah, Daytona, it's always a fun one. I did really well there last year, and I was stoked to go back this year.
He can rip the grip off the throttle because there's traction there.
My boy needs a Home Depot sponsor because all he knows is how to drop the hammer.
Yeah, next round was Detroit. I came close to the podium in Daytona, couldn't make it happen. I was hungry for it in Detroit and had a really good main event. I feel like that was the best I rode all year. Boston was really good to me too. I had a solid night all in all. Heat race was really good, got a heat win, and then in the main event I got a good start and I led. I think it was 15 out of 18 laps, so I was really stoked on that.
He led 15 laps out of 18 laps. He wishes he was a veteran like me because back in the day when I was racing two of these, it was only 15 laps. 15 laps.
Atlanta Motor Speedway, baby. We're here. The track was wet. It's looking prime time now. Ready to rip it up.
Yeah, Atlanta was super fun. East-West shootout. Results didn't come as we wanted, but I just had a blast, and it was good to be there with the whole team. Can't wait for outdoors with the whole team every round. I miss Pierce so much at Denver. It was like, what the heck? He's not even here.
Try your best. Give it your all. Never say die. Yeah, it is great to be on the podium. There is no better feeling in the world. Sometimes you have some tough races, but we always rebound because we're Team GASGAS and we get after it.
Wow.
That was good, right?
No losses, just lessons, right?
That's right. Sometimes, that's right. Like, oh yeah, like bad race. I don't know what a bad race is. That was just a lesson.
through, put myself in a top 5 position, first couple laps, made some passes, got to third. Got a podium in front of my hometown, friends, family, everything. It feels good. Just top off the season third.
It was a great year, all right? We're done with this interview now. Come on, let's go, guys. Wait.